structure of the hypothalamic pituitary axis. Let's look at some key words. All sensory information is taken to a part of the brain called the thalamus. From the thalamus, the information is taken to other parts of the brain. The word hypothalamus therefore means underneath the thalamus. The hypothalamus controls body temperature, or what we call thermoregulation. It also controls water levels in the blood, in what we call osmoregulation. The word hypophysis actually means undergrowth, in that it's a growth underneath the brain. Most people call it the pituitary gland. The word hypophyseal means of the pituitary. Adenohypophysis means the anterior lobe of the pituitary because adeno means glandular. The word neurohypophysis means the posterior lobe of the pituitary because neuro means of nerves. Then the stalk connecting the hypothalamus to the pituitary is called the infundibulum. The hypothalamus is composed of two main regions. It has cell bodies of neurons that go down to the posterior pituitary. It also has cells that secrete releasing factors. The superior hypophyseal artery enters the infundibulum at the top and then branches out to increase the surface area to volume ratio in a capillary bed inside the infundibulum. This superior hypophyseal artery receives the releasing hormones and takes them down towards the anterior pituitary. So the releasing hormones enter the capillary bed, otherwise known as the portal system, and these move through the anterior pituitary where there are other endocrine cells, and these endocrine cells release further hormones directly into the blood supply, which then exits the anterior pituitary in the hypophyseal veins, and then these hormones travel all around the body to find their target tissues. The cell bodies of neurons found in the hypothalamus move down the infundibulum into the posterior lobe of the pituitary. These neurons then synapse on blood vessels to release neurohormones directly into the bloodstream. We can see here we've got the inferior hypophyseal artery that enters the posterior pituitary, forming a capillary bed, then exits through another hypophyseal vein, taking the blood to the body cells. Now we can understand why the anterior pituitary is called the adenohypophysis and why the posterior lobe of the pituitary is called the neurohypophysis. By knowing the correct terms, it also indicates the function and form. Thank you for paying attention. I hope you've learned something. Like and subscribe if you would like to, and I'll catch you later. Bye now.